Welcome to our YouTube channel, Stars. Hey everyone, I'm Tanya Singla. So, if you are new to our YouTube channel, please subscribe it and press on the bell icon for more new updates and like my videos. So, today's topic of discussion is sales management. In previous video, we have discussed the meaning of sales force management, but now we will study the meaning of sales and management. Sales means transfer of goods and services for money. In previous era, sales were considered as for the consideration of goods, which was known as barter system. But in 21st century, we consider sales as the transfer of goods and services for money. It is an important function of marketing because the success of business depends upon the successful working of sales department. Sales function is the nerve center of all economic activity. In a selling function of any business unit is not performed well, then even the successful functioning of other business activity like production, purchase, finance, etc. cannot ensure success in the business. So sales management is an integral part of total management. Sales management involves the direction and control of salesmen, sales planning, budgeting, policy making, market research, advertising, sales promotion, merchandising, and the integration of all business activity in the marketing program so as to contribute to the increased sales and profit. According to the modern concept, marketing management is treated as the broad term and sales management is considered as the part of marketing management. So marketing starts with conceiving the sales about the product, product planning, product department, taking decision of various marketing elements like product price, promotion, place, selling the goods, and increasing consumer satisfaction. So sales management means performing selling activities and managing the sales force. Now, importance of sales management. The first importance of sales management is help to achieve organizational broad objective. Sales force management help us in achieving the organizational broad objective by forecasting, by planning, because it's a part of management. Management is an art of getting things done through others and with formally organized group. That is why we say that help to achieve organizational broad objective. Now, help in effective management of sales force. Sales management is also helping effective management of sales force because management manages various activities of sales force like size of sales force, recruitment, selection, training, assigning, equipping, routing, supervising, and much more. Now, importance for top management. Sales manager provide necessary market information regarding sales potential, level of competition, strategies adopted by competitor, consumer, liking, disliking, etc. That is why which helps the top management to formulate the policies. That is why we say that importance for top management. Now, help in coordination. Sales management help to achieve coordination among various departments performing selling and non-selling activities. It coordinates with marketing department by making balance between personal selling and advertising. Now, ensure effective salesmanship. Salesmanship is an art of persuading prospective buyer to buy goods and services provided by the institution. And nowadays, market have become buyer market, and market have to approach buyer through personal selling and persuade them to buy their products. Now, promote customer satisfaction. The organization should make the product according to the need of customer satisfaction. They should do many by regular communication with customer, studying their needs, requirements, tastes, preferences. Now, help in promoting standard of living. Why we say so that sales help in promoting standard of living, because it will also provide employment, and employment will provide their increase in their standard of living by purchasing the good quality product. We have many branded products which shows their luxuriousness in the normal living of a person. For example, if anyone is using an iPhone, it will show a good standard of living. That is why sales help in promoting standard of living. Now, help in promoting foreign trade. It also help in promoting foreign trades for many or we can say that sales management has widened the market area from regional to national level and even to international level. Nowadays, sales management of sales organization is so effective that they are selling their product globally. That is why we say that help in promoting foreign trade. Now, create employment opportunity. It is true that when we are doing sales management, we're doing sales by mode of personal selling or advertisement. By personal selling, we need person which go door to door of their customer to satisfy them, which include employment. Or in advertisement, the person who do advertisement will also generate employment opportunity. Help in skill formation. Sales management provide training to sales force and help them to develop their skills for performing various selling activities. Help in controlling selling expenses. Selling expenses include advertising expenses. So sales management also help in controlling selling expenses. Now promotes goodwill of the institution. It also promote goodwill by establishing good relation with customer, dealer, wholesaler, retailer, etc. High sale will also include their goodwill. So thanks for watching video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and like my videos.